Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to reset PIN code in Messenger. That is your password code. The first thing you do is open up your Messenger app, then tap on the three lines at the top left corner and three lines at the left corner. Tap on it and hold it down, then tap on the setting here on the top right corner. Then scroll all the way down to password and security right here, tap on it, and then tap on password and security again, tap on change password, tap on your profile, and then you have to put in the current password, the new password, and retype the new password. Now I know that your password must be at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters like the exclamation mark, the pound sign, the percentage sign. So you must put in these things to combine together to give you 6 characters at the least for your password to be more secured. It's as simple as that. So once you finish all this, you tap on change password at the bottom here. So hope you find this video helpful on how to reset PIN on Messenger. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.